want to say that the stories of our elders is really poignant and powerful, because many of the people you saw and you can see now reflected have passed away during the pandemic.
And I will start by welcoming the elders here today. Thank you very much, all here, and there are many others who may not be able to attend today, for your contribution to our society.
And I'm really proud that this exhibition has come to Swansea. We do have a strong tradition of human rights, of welcome, of tolerance, and I think that's what makes Swansea and this area so very, very special and very important. So I'm really, really proud as Lord Lieutenant of West Glamorgan to have this exhibition here today, and I hope that many people will come, that they will learn and they will go away enlightened and realise what you have done for this country. So thank you all very much indeed.
First of all, can I thank the elders for all of your contributions. And before today, I was reading some of the stories that were told as part of what you provided to Welsh Government, what you provided to the contribution to the stories here, and it is remarkable. And I think, as the Lord Lieutenant said, what I think for modern day people in Britain, the only real indication they had of the Windrush generation was the terrible events that happened a few years ago when the government made such terrible decisions. But I think by telling the stories of the people who came on that ship and have come since and enriched our country so much, I think that is really important in terms of telling the story of each of the individuals and how you've contributed to our country. And I couldn't be prouder as leader of Swansea to be here today to say thank you, first of all, for everything you've done.
It is said that we all came on a different ship. Some came on the Windrush Cymru, some came on the Montserrat, but we all came on a ship called Dignity. Every one of us who came, my parents, your parents, they might have landed in Southampton on the Windrush or the Montserrat, but it was the ship called Dignity that took them through their lives.
I hope you've enjoyed coming here today. I have myself read some of the panels, I did look at the website as well, and I just hope everybody takes the time to read the stories, either here or, as I said, on the website, but mainly to encourage other people to come here, to hear your stories, to understand the hardships that you endured when you first came here. And we do have a lot to thank you for, and you were part of our community, and it makes it all the richer.
I have to say that we are nothing without the giants on whose shoulders we stand. We cannot take even one step forward without acknowledging the sacrifice, the love, and the sense of belonging that these elders have invested in Swansea as a city of sanctuary.
I'm grateful for the Windrush, for so many people to be gathering together and hear all the stories about all different nationalities and where you came from. I'm very grateful to be asked, to be invited today. I'm very grateful. Thank Ozzy and everyone that done their part, and I hope it will continue as the years and days go by.
I feel wonderful to embrace this moment, and so do the other elders. We feel delighted, we are delighted, and we embrace this time.
I think the exhibition is wonderful and very heartwarming that we've been able, the Race Council has been able to organize this kind of exhibition. It's good for Wales, it's good for our children, and it's good for people to know what the original Windrush generation went through to get to this level today. We've achieved a lot because people can hear and read what ethnic minority people have gone through in this country, where those who started from scratch, worked in poor places, some had education to arrive where they are today, that today in Wales, in Black history, is being incorporated into the national curriculum. I feel very proud, and it's a privilege and honor to be part of this wonderful, great exhibition.
One thing I hope, and one thing I trust in, that none of my children will never go through what I've gone through. They had worked to show they could do things, and that's all. We have done it. So all you owners, thanks to God for you all. We show that we could do things, and we show that we can. Thank you very much.